Here's a pair of the Sony earbuds, model number WF-1000XM5. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put this in pairing mode, okay? Make sure that both buds are in, close the lid, wait till the light turns off, okay? Now, when the lights are off, when it turns off, we're going to pop that lid and we're going to press and hold that button on the back. Press and hold it for like 10 seconds or so, or until we see a blue blinking light which indicates it's in pairing mode, okay? So let's open these up. Here's that button, press and hold. I'm holding the button now, keep holding, still holding. Okay, let go as soon as you start seeing blue. Now it's blinking blue. Now it's indicating that this is in pairing mode. So now we're going to go to iPhone here. We're going to go to settings and then go to your Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And you can see that little spinning thing under devices is searching for devices that's pairing mode near me. And you can see that it found the WF-1000XM5 right there. So I'm going to tap on that right there. And voila, we're connected. And there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.